In this video, I'll run through an example start to finish so you can see how to approach these kind of questions. I've made another video on solving two linear simultaneous equations, so I'd recommend you watch that one as well if you haven't already. So here's the example: x squared plus y squared equals 17 and y equals x minus 3. So here we have a quadratic equation because it involves x squared, and a linear equation because it's just x. For these types of questions, the method you need to do is substitute the linear equation into the quadratic equation. And you can substitute either x or y in, but in this case, because it's y equals x minus 3, it's probably easier just to sub the y in. When you do that, you get x squared plus, instead of y squared, x minus 3 squared equals 17. From there, you can expand those double brackets, which would give you x squared plus x squared minus 3x plus 9 equals 17. Tidying up gives you 2x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 17. Then that's a quadratic that we want to solve. So we must make it equal to 0 first. 2x squared minus 6x minus 8 equals 0. I get that from moving the 17 over to the left or subtracting 17 from both sides. I'm then going to divide everything by 2 to make this equation easier to solve. I can do that because all of the numbers are divisible by 2. And now it's just a case of factorizing this. It will be x minus 4, x plus 1, and then we can solve it. So x is equal to 4 or x is equal to negative 1. That's great. Now we have the x values, but we're not finished because we need to find the y values. So to do that, you sub your values back into the linear equation. So y would be x minus 3. So in the first case, 4 minus 3, which is 1. Y is 1. And then for the second value, y would be minus 1 minus 3. So y is negative 4. Now for your final answer, it's best to line up the answers so it's clear which x and y values go together. So we had x is 4, and when that happened, y was 1. And then when x was minus 1, y was minus 4. And that makes it really clear which ones go with which. That's it for now. If you found this video useful, please do remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And do share this with anyone else you think might find it helpful. Thanks, and see you next time.